आम्ही आता ऑलमोस्ट 2 वर जाली हिंगा हाय इकू पुलीस चयला हांवें कोणा चयला ना एक सेक्युरिटी चयला ना काय ना एश कोन जो तर सेक्युरिटी आहा मुगे मागणी आहा तुमकां रेल्वे कडेन की डोंट लीव दीस सो ओपन इतलें ओपन जो तर दवरलें unless you want to neglect this place and make it have another railway route or something. I don't know what is the plan is, but in Italy there is nothing. Who is coming in, who is going out, nobody is checking. Just imagine if one terrorist comes here, एक terrorist येईल लायगा मकसद तेंचो टॉय गन देखून घेऊन येयल्या मकसद हिंग लोक धांवतले because people don't know कोण ना एक पुलीस ना काय ना authorities हितून negligent आहे as far as this concerned. I think it is onus of responsibility lies on Konkan Railway to see that the passenger safety, the same passengers who are giving them business, आज rates वाढवले आणि किती वाढवला कोंकण रेल्वे जाऊन रेल्वेज आणि इतू रेट्स वाढवले. Where is the safety? काय ना ही सेफ्टी कोण भितर सोदता कोण भायर सोदता काय ना. Yeah, I'm writing a letter. I'm already writing regarding the tickets. I'll write regarding the security also and maintenance. Must actually go as a tourist destination. At least put some proper painting or something. Let it look nice. Aesthetically, also, do the situation.